Hello everyone, let me introduce you about myself. My name is Lê Việt Quốc. I'm studying at the University of Science and Technology. My major is Electronic and Telecommunication. Today I would like to tell you about 10 conversations. The conversation 1. The woman wanted to know the man's opinion with the movie. The man replied that it was fantastic, interesting, and very well done. The woman said she would like to saw it again. The man said it was going to be at the same theater for another 2 weeks. The woman suggested they could go again for weekend. The conversation 2. The man said to the woman that the Miss Kim retirement was great success. The woman agreed about that, and she commented that the Mr. Kim had no idea because he was surprised by that. The man commented that the Mr. Kim were very pleased and everyone had a good time. The woman agreed about that, and she said it was a fun party, but she had going to miss having Mr. Kim around the office. The conversation 3. The woman said to the man that the player were very nice. The man agreed about that, and he said the player didn't miss a note. The woman said that the crowd loved it, and they were on their feet, dancing and clapping. The man agreed about that, and he commented it was roll up the cost of the ticket. The woman explained that it wasn't often they got chance to hear such great music. The conversation 4. The man wanted to know the woman's trip to New York. The woman said it was quite an experience, and she had a lot of fun. The man commented that it was a great place to visit and asked her if she would like to live there. The woman disagreed about that because it was noisy and crowded for her. The man agreed about that. The conversation 5. The woman once said that she was really looking forward to the weekend. The man wanted to know the reason. The woman once explained that she rented a house at the beach and she couldn't wait to be there. The woman too wished she could go too. The man suggested the woman one that she could listen to the radio because the big storm headed that way and it would be rainy and windy on weekend. The woman too thought it would be went to the woman one beach weekend. The conversation 6. The man commented that the woman looked busy. The woman explained that she had so much to do to get ready for tomorrow's workshop. The man commented the room were on setup. The woman agreed about that, and she said she had to put the packet up together, and she asked him if he helped her to make the photocopy. The man agreed about that because he had some time to do that the next morning. The woman were happy and thanked to the man. The conversation 7. The woman says Miss Lee was driving on the 4 o'clock train, and she asked the man if he had planned to pick her up. The man replied that he would take the company car. The woman says Miss Lee could arrive change to her hotel, stand up stopping by the office. The man agree about that, and he said he could plan to pick her up there later on that evening dinner. The woman agree about that, and she says she would saw they that evening. The conversation 8. The woman asked the man if he lived there. The man answered that he lived in that building right over there. The woman asked the man that where the bank is. The man answered that it's across up the street there and it's on the next block. The woman turned to the man. The conversation 9. The woman said to the man that he were going back to Germany to visit his family. The man agreed about that, and he said he would staying there for the month. The woman thought that were a lot of time to be away from work. The man answered that his boss had given him permission, and he would really like to spend some time there. The conversation 10. The woman wanted to show with the man about her new office. It were in new building downtown. The man thought it were very nice. The woman agreed about that, and she said it were very modern. Also, it's right near a good restaurant, and it were so easy to get to, only 1 block from the subway. Finally, the man thought it was the best. Thank you for listening.